morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine. Thank you. Today, we shall discuss a story. The name of the story is ninth class English story. The name of the story is The Magic Fruit. We have already discussed about the story in our previous class. We have already discussed two sections of the story. Today, we shall begin with section 3. Remember, the fruit boy came to whose house? The boy came to Sai Priti's house and stayed there. He was happy, but one problem is that Sai Priti's father did not like him, did not talk to him. That was his great sadness. Now let's see what happened then. One day, the two children means Sukumar and Sai Priti, walked down to a nearby stream. There was a stream you know, Charana, there was a stream near their village and both of them went there. Who went there? Sai Priti and Sukumar. Went to where? Went to the stream. Could understand? Sukumar sat silently on a boulder. Both of them walked down to a stream and Sukumar sat silently on a boulder. ଗୋଟେ ପଥର ଚାଞ୍ଚିରା ଉପରେ ସେ ନିରବ ଭାବରେ ବସିଥିଲେ. Who said? Sukumar said silently, staring at the water, looking at the water. Unable to control her curiosity. Curiosity means you कौतूहल. Unable to control her curiosity. Her curiosity means whose curiosity? Satya Prayasa curiosity. Sorry. Sai Prati se curiosity. Sai Prati asked, "What are you thinking about my brother?" Who asked whom? Saya Prati asked Sukumar, "What are you thinking about my brother?" Because Sukumar was sitting on a boulder and thinking something. When Saya Prati saw it, she asked, "What?" Sukumar was thinking about. कौन भाबुच? Sukumar said, "Dear sister, Bhavani, you have your own mother. तोर निजर माँ अछि. And she loves you because you are her daughter." और she तोते भल पाउछि जेतु you are her daughter. Who said it? Sukumar said it. And the only way I can ever meet ମୁଁ କେବଳ ମୋ ମାଆକୁ ମିଶିବାର ମିଟ୍ ହେର୍ ଇଜ୍ ବାଇ ପ୍ଲେଇଂ ମାଇ ଫ୍ଲୁଟ୍ ବଟ୍ ମାଇ ମଦର ଇଜ୍ ଗନ୍ ହୁଜ୍ ମଦର ଇଜ୍ ଗନ୍ ସୁକୁମାର's mother is gone and the only way I can ever meet her is by playing my flute. Who said it? Sukumar said it. Sukumar's mother is dead. When Sukumar remember his mother, he just played his flute. Why? He felt that if he played his flute, he felt as if he could meet his mother. So whenever Sukumar felt lonely, remember his mother, he played flute. Sayaprati was shocked by his answer. Who was shocked? Sayaprati was shocked by Sukumar's answer. But my brother, Sayapatri said, but my brother, is not my mother also your mother? Mo ma to ma nuhogi? Am I not your sister? Mu tor bhauni nuhogi? Who asked these questions? Sayaprati asked these questions. Hesitating, ଟିକେ ଦୁଇଧା ପ୍ରକାଶ କରି hesitating, he replied that he means Sukumar replied, yes, you are my sister. And she is my mother. But what my brother? Who said it? Sayapatri said it. किंतु कौन है भाई? You have the love of your father. But I have lost mine. तो बापा तो बहुत भल पाती. But I have lost mine. Who said it? Sukumar said it. But is not my father also yours? Sayapatri asked. Mo बापा तो बापा नुह कि? No. For I have not yet known his heart. जेतु मु तांको हृदय एबे भी जिनि पानी. Who said it? Sukumar said it. Next. That evening, after the two children had gone to sleep, ସେଇଦିନ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଦୁଇଟା ଆଗ ଛୁଆ ଶୋଇପଡ଼ିଲା ପରେ, that evening after the two children had gone to sleep, the father said, orphans are not very ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେବଲ୍ ଅନାଥ ପିଲାମାନେ ବେଶୀ ନିର୍ଭରଶୀଳ ନୁହନ୍ତି। ସୁକୁମାର will be like that. ସୁକୁମାର ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇଭଳି ହେଇଯିବ, will be become like that. ସୁକୁମାର will be like that too. One day he shall get up and leave. ସେ ଦିନେ ଉଠିବ and leave this house. Who said it?
Sukumar.
No, the father said it. Sukumar was an orphan. So, in the meantime, mother he will probably just sit around here loafing. ए मध्य समय भितर जीवा भितर से खाली बसब आलुस्वामी दिन बीतेब बोले while every time loafing every time and living of our kindness, and he will end up being a bad influence on our, and he will end up being a bad influence on our Satya Prati. Influence is Prabhava, you know. And a bad influence will fall upon our Satya Prati. Who said it? The father said it. You understand it? Who said it? The father said it. The woman was shocked. The woman was shocked. The woman was छानिया गला ताटे आगला by her husband तार स्वामी रो कतरे से ताटे गायला by her husband's word. But my dear, kin he priya of course he is an orphan. अवश्य से जने अनाथ. Which is why we must become his parents. ଯାହା ସେଇଥି ଯୋଗୁଁ ଆମେ ତାର ମା ବାପା ହେବା ଦରକାର. Who said it? She said, the woman said. Could understand? That means the father was not happy with the new edition. That means the father was not happy with the boy. So here are some questions. Now answer the following questions. The first question is, what reason did Sukumar give Satyaprati for being sad? Sukumar was sad. Satyaprati asked about it. Sukumar said that sister Sukumar said Satyaprati that she had her own mother, she had her own father, and she enjoyed their love and affection. Could understand? And as her father did not like Sukumar, he was unhappy. Could understand? This was the reason Sukumar said to Satyaprati. Right? Next question is, how did he plan to win Satyaprati's father's heart? Sukumar was deeply sad at heart, very sad. Who was sad? Sukumar was sad. Why? Because Satyaprati's father did not like him. Because he was not able to win over Satyaprati's father yet, but he had a bold resolution. But he did not lose heart. He tried to win his heart. He declared before Satyapriti that one day he would win her father's love by playing his flute. But he said that he resolved that he would win Satyapriti's father's heart one day by playing a flute. Could you understand? Next question is, why did Satyapriti's father not like Sukumar? Satyapriti's father did not like Sukumar. He told his wife that Sukumar, being an orphan, ought not to be depended on. One day the boy would steal from their house, leaving a bad influence on their only daughter Satyaprati. He had a bad impression that Sukumar was an orphan. Generally, orphans are not dependable. One day they will leave of everything, love, affection, house, everything. And this bad thing will have a bad influence on our daughter. That is why the father did not like Sukumar. Next one is, what do you think Sukumar will do now? So let's read to get the answer. Now let's read the next stanza to get the answer. Okay, shall we? Yes, this is the next stanza. These are the next stanzas. One spring evening. You know there are 6 seasons. Spring is one of them. And spring is called the king of seasons. So one spring evening, Sukumar sat by the window. Jharaka pakhre basila. Who sat? Sukumar sat. Where? By the window. Gazing out at the full moon. Gazing means seeing, looking. ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରକୁ ଦେଖୁଥିଲା ଝରକା ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇ. Who? Sukumar. He was filled with sadness. He was sad. Who was sad? Sukumar was sad at heart. Despite all his efforts, despite means satvi, efforts means udyama. ତାର ସମସ୍ତ ଉଦ୍ୟମ ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ, despite all his efforts, he was still unable to win the love of Satyapriti's father. Sukumar tried and tried and tried. Could understand? Who tried?
Sukumar.
For what? To win Satyapriti's father's heart. But in spite of several attempts, he failed. Who failed? Sukumar failed to win Satyapriti's father's heart. So he was very sad. In the pre-dawn hours, ପାହାନ୍ତିଆ ପୂର୍ବରୁ, ପ୍ରତ୍ୟୁଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ, in the pre-dawn hours of the next morning, he quietly left the house. Out of sad, he was sad because he could not win Satyaprati's father. So out of sadness, he was very sad. And out of sadness, he left home one morning. While the rest of the family lay sleeping. Could understand it? When he left home, all were sleeping. And who left home? Sukumara left home. Why? Because he was sad. He could not win the heart of Satyaprati's father. All day he climbed over hills and down through the valleys. दिन तमाम पहाड़ चढ़िला पहाड़ उपत्यका को ओह्लैला valley means उपत्यका at sunset सूर्यास्त रे he found himself on the summit of a mountain. Summit means शिखर प्रदेश of a mountain. सूर्यास्त समय रे he found himself on the summit of a mountain. गोटे सूर्यास्त समय को सी गोटे पहाड़र शीर्ष भाग में जाई पहुंची जाइतिला. ए श्राइन टू ए गॉडेस श्राइन पवित्र मंडप पीठ आप गॉडेस गोटे देवींकर मंदिर बा पवित्र पीठ stood there सीट थिला दंडायमान थिला and he decided that who decided Sukumar decided that he would take shelter in it, shelter आश्रय take shelter in it for the night. रात्रि दावे एटा आश्रय नहीं जले decide कला. Once inside थोड़े से मंदिर भीतर गला पर he felt very lonely and sad. निछाड़िया आला भारी दुखित होला. He felt that by leaving his Satyaprati and her mother, he had once again lost his family. He felt that he again lost his family. Who felt it? Who felt it? Sukumar felt it. The next night, he again slept in the shrine. He spent the next night there. Who? Sukumar spent. ता पर दिन मध्य से जागा बीते देला. The next night he again slept in the shrine, dreaming of a Satyaprati. Satyaprati को स्वप्न रे देखी. In his dream, ता स्वप्न रे dream means you know स्वप्न. Who dreamt? Sukumar dreamt. Sukumar dreamt what? Whom? Sukumar dreamt Satyaprati. She was standing in the front of him. In the dream, Sukumar saw Satyaprati standing in front of him. Asking him, who is asking him? Satyaprati standing in front of Sukumar, asking him. In a reality or in a dream? Tell me. In a dream. Right? To follow her. ता पचर पचे आसिया कहला. When he awoke, who awoke? Sukumar awoke. From his sleep, से जब निदर उठी पड़ला, he knew that he would return home. But when he reached में पहुंचला. Satyaprati's house. He returned. He came back to Satyaprati's house. Many villagers were around. When she reached Satyaprati's house, many villagers were around the yard. तार अगणार चतुर्पार्श्वे बेढ़ी रही घेरी रही. Who were around the house? The villagers were around the house. घर चारिपार्श्वे ग्रामवासी माने अच्छे. And all were gloomy. आ समस्त भितर गोटे विषादर छाया खेली जाइछि एंड ऑल ओवर समस्त गोटे परिधान करिसंती धारण करिसंती व्हाट ग्लूमी ग्लूमी लुक्स ऑन देयर फेसेस से मानकर मुखमंडल रे एक दुखर छाया रो आवरण गोड़ी जाइछि दैट मीन्स ऑल आर ग्लूमी all are sad all the villagers are sad silently Sukumar entered the house Sukumar entered the house Sukumar went into the house inside भीतर पार्श्व सत्यप्रति ले on her mother's lap कोड़े सत्यप्रति तार मार कोड़े सोईची who lay asleep who lay Satyaprati. Looking up and seeing him, Satyaprati looked up and saw Sukumar. The woman cried, no, not Satyaprati. The woman looked up and saw Sukumar. The woman cried, my son, look what's happening to your dear sister. देखे तो भौन अवस्था कौन people say she will recover but oh I don't know लोके कहउचंदी से मुक्त होइजिब सुकुमार approached them slowly ता निकट को धीरे धीरे गला approach में धीरे धीरे गला tears streaming down his face What was streaming down? Tears. लुह झरुची ताखिरु लुह झरुची from whose eyes? Sukumar's eyes. Could understand? What is streaming down? Tears streaming down. From whose eyes? Sukumar's eyes. Stretching out his hand, hato body, osari, prosari. He softly stroked his sister's cheek. तार cheek गाल को चिबु गाल को धीरे धीरे थापड़ेला. On the night you left, she suddenly came down with a very high fever. तो जिमिंदी जो जाते तो पले से दिन ही ताको बहुत ज्वर आएगा. Since yesterday, गत काल she has been like this. यही बढ़िया रही in coma. I think her spirit has left her body. ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ତା ଭିତରୁ କାୟା ତାର ଆତ୍ମା ତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇ ପଳେଇଛି and gone up in search of you ଆଉ ଯାଇଛି in search of ତୋର ଅନ୍ୟ ତତେ ଖୋଜିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଛି please my son do something to revive her do हे पुଅ କିଛି କରେ ताको पुनर्जीवित करिया पे तू किछि कर रिवाइव इज पुनर्जीवित करिया सुकुमार brought out his flute you know what did he said what did Sukumar do Sukumar brought out his flute तार flute बाहर कला and began to play it very quietly As the tune floated across जिमिति कि से मूर्छना बंशीर मूर्छना चारियारे खेलीगला across the room सत्यप्रति से eyelids आखि पता eyelids began to flutter आखि पता फड़ फड़ होला बा आँख खोलिला Slowly, her eyes opened, आँखी मध्य धीरे धीरे खोलिला हो जाइसे सत्यप्रति से आइसे Seeing Sukumar से मर्मर गुणुगु मर्मर मीन्स गुणुगुण ही कहला धीरे क्षीण स्वर रे कहला माय ब्रदर मो भाई Oh my brother, you have returned to Aishaichu. Who said it? Satyaprati said it. Could you understand it? Putting down his flute. Who put down his flute? Sukumar put down his flute. Sukumar replied. Putting down his flute, Sukumar replied, yes, my dear sister, I am here. It's me, your brother. ମୁଁ ଆସିଯାଇଛି ଭଉଣୀ, ମୁଁ ତ ଭାଇ. Suddenly, the father moved next to Sukumar. Could understand? Who moved? Satyaprati's father. And with tears in his eyes, Satyaprati's father's eyes were full of tears. And with tearful eyes, hugged the boy to his chest. Who hugged whom? Satyaprati's father hugged Sukumar. ତାକୁ କୁଣ୍ଡେଇ ପକେଇଲା. ଆନନ୍ଦ ଆଶ୍ରୁ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ତାକୁ କୁଣ୍ଡେଇ ପକେଇଲା. Truly you are my own dear son. ସତରେ ତୁ ହେଉଛୁ ମୋର ନିଜ ପୁଅ. Who said it? The father said it. Never will I let you go again. ତତେ ଆଉ କେବେ ଯିବାକୁ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେବିନି. I won't. Here father changed. The father could understand, realized everything. What love and affection are. What love and affection are. The mother sat there, shedding tears of joy. Anandar Asru, shedding means jhareva. Anandar Asru jharauthila. Satyaprati and Sukumar looked at each other and smiled. उभयଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏବଂ ଖୁସିରେ ହସିଲେ. So this is the story about the magic flute. Now let's have a question answer. Here a question answers are. Why did Sukumar leave Satyaprati's house? Sukumar left the house because he had not been managed to win Satyaprati's father's love and affection. Could you understand? Next, why did Sukumar feel sad in a temple? Sukumar left home, came to a shrine on the top of a mountain. In the night, he missed the family, Satyaprati, the mother, and their love and affection. So he felt sad. Why did Sukumar, next question number 3, that is, why did Sukumar decide to return to Satyaprati's house? Sukumar slept in the shrine dreaming of Satyaprati. In his dream, Satyaprati was standing in front of him and told him to follow her, to come back home. Suddenly he rose up from his sleep and decided to return to Satyaprati's house. On the whole, the love and affection of the family made Sukumar come back. Next one is, when Sukumar entered the house, what did he see? When Sukumar entered the house, he was shocked to see the whole village around it, and wearing a gloomy look on their faces. He also found his sister, Satyaprati, laying on a mother's lap in a senseless condition, that is in coma. Next one is that is which one? According to your mother, according to her mother, what was wrong with Satyaprati? According to Satyaprati's mother, Satyaprati had come down with a very rising temperature on the night of Sukumar's leaving the house. That means when Sukumar left the house, Satyaprati suffered a high fever, suffered from a high fever. Since then, she had confined herself to the bed in a coma. Her daughter's spirit had gone off in search of him. Next one is what did Sukumar do when he heard Satyaprati's mother? What happened to Satyaprati then? When Sukumar heard Satyaprati's mother, he brought out his flute and began to play on it softly. When the flute put to tapping music is floated across the room, when the music floated across the room, Satyaprati's eyelid began to flutter and slowly her eyes opened. She soon came back to her senses. Question number 7. Satyaprati's father did something unexpected. What was it? Satyaprati's father's false notion towards Sukumar's proved futile. When Sukumar's melodious tune on her flute worked wonders with Satyaprati's eyelids beginning to flutter and the girl murmuring after reviving herself, it was something unexpected for the Satyaprati. Question is Satyaprati's father did something unexpected. What was it? When Sukumar played his flute, Satyaprati came to life. Could you understand? This made the father happy. So out of happiness, the father hugged Sukumar. This was the unexpected thing the father did. Could you understand? Next one is, do you think this is a happy story or a sad story? Why? By all means, this is a happy story because there is a happy ending. No doubt there is a touch of sadness in the story in the middle. Still, the story ended with a happy note. Because like a happy story, the present story, the magic fruit ends in a happy note. So we must say it is a happy story. Why is the story entitled The Magic Flute? How was the flute magical? Could you understand? So when Sukumar left home, Satyaprati suffered from a high fever and went into coma. Could you understand? Their family members were in great trouble. They had never thought that she would come back to life. But the flute of the boy worked a wonderful thing, or worked its wonder on Satyaprati's life. And the very soft music of melodious music of a flute brought Satyaprati to life as if magic did. So the name of the story is called The Magic of Flute. You understand? So here are some words. Let's drill. Majestic, beautiful, impressive. Talk away, khunchi deba. To hide something. Set out, begun. Jatra arambha kariya set out means. Gaze, to look someone steadily. କାହାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ନିରେଖି ଅନେଇବା. Nodded, ହଁ ଭରିବା. ମୁଣ୍ଡ ହଲେଇ ହଁ ଭରିବା. Enraptured, filled with joy. ଆତ୍ମବିଭୋର ହେବା. ହୃଦୟ ଭରିଯିବା. Staring at, ନିରେଖି ଅନେଇବା. Looking at somebody. Something for a long time with wide open eyes. ଆଖି ତରାଟି କରି ଅନେଇ ରହିବା. Loafing, spending time carelessly. ସମୟ ବିତେଇ ଦେବା. ବେକାର ସମୟ ବିତେଇବା. Next one is loafing. We have already discussed it. Summit means शिखर प्रदेश. The highest point, top of a mountain. Stroked, touched in a gentle, loving way. धीरे धीरे थापुड़ेଇବା. Fluttered, to move in excitement. ଚଳିବା. Hugged, କୁଣ୍ଡେଇ ପକେଇବା. ଆଲିଙ୍ଗନ କରିବା. Held someone tightly, putting arms around. Gloomy, unhappy, having no hope. You understand? With this, that is the end of the story, The Magic Flute. We shall discuss the other stories in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.